You know as well as I do that if we're going to end the week talking about commodities, we have to talk about this historic week in oil prices. How could we not, right? Now, it's just been a wild swing in prices, a wild swing in moods, lowest of lows, highest of highs, well, kind of highest of highs, because on Monday, crude oil prices, they remained deep in the red to kick off the trading week. WTI prices hitting an 18-year low of $19.27 a barrel, and just when there looked to be no end in sight to the loop, when prices continued to slide. In fact, prices were so low, they haven't been this low since the Persian Gulf War back in 1991. Or, as I know it, WrestleMania 7 weekend. Given that it's WrestleMania weekend this weekend coming up, the continued spat between Russia and Saudi Arabia over cutting production figures, that led the way for a bleak outlook for the remainder of the week, with some even calling for prices to hit $10 a barrel. But then it was time for President Donald Trump to come to the rescue. Well, sort of, because on Thursday, President Trump, he told CNBC's Joe Kernan that he spoke with Russian President Vladimir Putin and Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, adding that he now expects both countries to cut production by about 10 million barrels. Now, those comments alone sent U.S. crude oil prices rising 24%, the best session on record, the best session ever. And now, this Friday afternoon, crude up more than 13% on top of the 24% from the previous session. This amid reports that OPEC and its allies said they will meet on Monday to discuss a production cut amid the coronavirus outbreak. And now the real question is this: will we actually see a 10% global supply cut? Because that's a big figure. That would definitely pave the way for oil prices to have some sort of direction, at least in the near term. But keep this in mind. Even with this week's gains, both WTI and Brent down roughly 50% year to date. And that means all eyes and ears will be on OPEC on Monday. From out on Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.